The deep ocean is scarier than outer space. Here are 5 of the scariest things ever found underwater.
Giant squid. These legendary creatures, once thought to be myths, can grow over 40 feet long. The bloop, a mysterious underwater sound recorded in 1997, louder than any whale and still unexplained. Mariana Trench, creatures, strange, alien-like animals that live 36,000 feet below the surface.
Still here. Smash-like. If the ocean scares you, water wave.
Ghost ships, abandoned vessels, drifting silently with no crew on board. Terrifying mysteries of the sea. Bioluminescent nightmares, glowing creatures that light up the dark, looking more alien than earthly.
Which one scared you the most?
The ocean is scarier than space itself. Which of these gave you chills? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.
Comment your scariest pick and subscribe for more creepy discoveries.